Can I download and install additional internet browsers on my Vizio TV?
Hello and welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today we're going to discuss a frequently asked question. Can I download and install additional internet browsers on my Vizio Smart TV? Sit tight as we dive into the depths of this question.
Understanding your Vizio TV's capabilities.
Vizio Smart TVs come with built-in apps and the ability to cast or mirror content from your devices. These features aim to provide a seamless entertainment experience. However, they do not allow downloading and installing additional apps or internet browsers directly onto the TV, unlike some other smart TV brands.
Can I work around this limitation?
While you can't directly install additional browsers, you're not completely out of options. A workaround is to use a streaming device or game console that allows additional browser installations, such as Roku, Amazon Fire TV Stick, or an Xbox One. By connecting one of these devices to your Vizio TV, you can then download and use alternative browsers.
How about screen mirroring?
Another solution is to use your smartphone or tablet. These devices offer a variety of internet browsers. Through screen mirroring, you can display the browser from your mobile device on your Vizio TV. Just remember, this solution requires both your Vizio TV and your mobile device to be connected to the same network. While Vizio Smart TVs do have some limitations in terms of downloading and installing additional browsers, there are still ways to enjoy a wider browsing experience. Whether by using a compatible streaming device or through screen mirroring from your mobile devices, you can access your favorite internet browser on your Vizio TV. We hope this video has provided some clarity on the matter. Until next time, keep exploring your tech.